Rip apart the 3 and double-sided tape. Stick tape on the back of the arrow rest. Rip apart the tape pair on the back of the arrow rest. Install on the riser and keep it horizontal. Install side core in the dovetail slot of side. Mount the side block to side hole and tighten. Attach side bar to the block and tighten. Lower ball limb. Upper ball limb. Put upper limb into big string loop. Lower limb into small string loop. Put the larger end of the stringer rope through the ball limb. Put the small end of the stringer rope into the other end of the bar. Stepping on the stringer tool, hold the handle of the bar and lift it up. Push the bowstring into the slot, and the installation is complete.